How to FaceTime someone with iPhone. So for that you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. First step is that locate and tap the FaceTime app on your iPhone home screen. Just go and find your FaceTime app here. So here you can see the FaceTime app. So you have to sign in into your account. Once you have been signing into your account, you have to find the contact. So tap on the plus button, or you can just go for the edit option, and you have to just go for the setup name and photo. Just go for the continue option, and that's it. And just go for the new FaceTime. Under your new FaceTime, you have to select the contact here. And after selecting the contact, you have to just go for the invite with messages. And you have to just go for this option and just send them. After that, you can easily start a FaceTime. So let's go for that. Time with someone on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.